Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Long time no video. I'm super excited to be back with you guys. Today we're going to be making spicy shrimp burrito. So let's get into the video. So we're going to first start off by sauteing our bell peppers and onions and garlic. And we're going to saute that for about 2 minutes, and then we're going to add in our shrimp.
What you see when you look at me, we never mind that. Royalty smoking purple trees, I'm feeling righteous. And fuck how you feel about it. If I'm gonna be real about it, I'm that nigga. I'm that nigga.
Now that our shrimps are done, we're going to move on by making our spicy mayo sauce. Now that our sauce is made, we're going to move on by making this easy, simple salsa.
What you see when you look at me, we never mind that. Royalty smoking purple trees, I'm feeling righteous. And fuck how you feel about it. If I'm gonna be real about it.
On to assembling our yummy, delicious burrito. I have some white rice, some black beans, then we're going to add in our shrimps and veggies. Then we have some cheese, and we're going to add in some shredded lettuce, and then we're going to add in our salsa, and then we're going to add on our spicy mayo sauce. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button. Also hit that thumbs up button because it will help my channel a lot. I'm super excited to be back filming videos for you guys. See you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.